Hey friends, if you wish to send an email in Gmail, then please watch this video. Now, Gmail is the most popular emailing application, and to send an email, all you need to do is click on Compose. Okay, so when you click on Compose, by default, this option will open. Now, I've selected this option to set it to default screen as large, but you can also do it by clicking on this arrow here. Now, select the to field and enter the email ID to which you wish to send the email. Now enter the subject of the email. This is a test email. Enter the body of the email. This is the body of the test email. Now you can select the font. Simply select this and you can change it to something else. And you can also make some formatting here if you want to. And if you wish to attach something, then you can click on attach files, and let's say you want to attach this file, you can attach it, and then you can to send this email, you can simply click on the send button. Was this helpful? If yes, then please subscribe to the channel, and if not, then let us know in the comment section of the video on how we could help you further. Thank you for watching this video and have a nice day.